Hello everyone, today I'm going to do a quick activity that you can try at home. For this activity you will need a paper napkin and a glass. The first thing we need to do is open up the paper napkin. Place it flat and then from the corners join them up to the middle. Repeat this again. And one more time, press them down. Then turn it over and fold it one more time into the centre. Okay, now we get the glass. Place the glass face down and flip over our napkin on top. Press it down and we will start opening up each corner. Once it's done, open it up. Then fill them with your favourite treats to have for yourself or for somebody else in your family. Or you could create a piece of art with these using a piece of paper. Make 3D art, so use your glue stick and put some glue at the back. Stick it down. And then use some crayons or some pencil crayons or felt tip pens, whatever you feel like, to create a lovely flower. You can do one, you can do a bunch of these. You can stick them on your wall or you can give them to somebody in your family. And that's your piece of art.